The first one is simple, but where we do it makes it unique. A live masterclass, a lot of people do. DM me this word to get this free masterclass, and that's fine. You can do this on unlisted video on YouTube. That works really well. But the other thing that I really love doing is actually doing it on LinkedIn, and here's why. It's almost like they're starved for attention on LinkedIn, right? It's like, hey, please help us out. The cool thing is you can utilize LinkedIn's database to actually invite your entire audience, and they'll get a message saying, hey, I'm doing this event. It's this live masterclass. Every single person that's attending that masterclass is saying, hey, I need some help, Raylan. The next lead magnet idea, once again, people use, but again, how you use it is really important. So having a guide or a template, like I mentioned before, like the offer builder, having a guide or a template, open space for them to write it out. Now, after they do all this, the most important thing to having a template or a guide is the last page. Now, the last page is your call to action. So for example, on this one, our call to action is twofold. One, go to this free YouTube training, and then two, join our free community over on Facebook. So your call to action doesn't have to be that, right? It could be book a call with me, it could be whatever, but it's that last page. And the reason why it's the last page is because they will gain value from the other pages. The more value they gain at the end, they'll be more likely to take action. And the third lead magnet I want to talk about is actually my favorite. That's why I said it at the last. A DM or email course. Everyone knows what courses are, right? Like they're usually video trainings, etc. But imagine you have a customer or you have a potential client that maybe isn't there yet. They don't necessarily want to invest $100, $1,000 in a course. So you give them a free course through the DMs that's task oriented. So for example, let's say you created your online business coach and you want to help someone make their first 5K. Wouldn't it be awesome if someone could subscribe to an email list and it's going to be a course where in 5 days you're getting an email that tells you exactly what to do to make your first 5K? Or for example, let's say you're a content creator and you want to help other people make content, you can make a DM sequence over on Instagram where basically every day you're going to tell them what to do for 5 days to make the best content possible. The really unique thing about this is, once again, you're getting them used to you being in their inbox, and if you make it task oriented, they're going to be more likely to take action on it. If they're more likely to take action on it, guess what happens? They get the result they wanted. And if they get the result they wanted for free, the thing they're going to be thinking is, I paid nothing for these results. Just imagine if I actually invested in this individual. Once you have the lead acquired, now it's time to enroll some more clients. So once again, as always, I have a video right here that you can watch right now and tell you exactly how to do it. As always, stay motivated, stay elevated. I'll catch you all in the next video.